Sure, I've loved animals since I was a kid. To me, they're our equals, sharing the same roof on Earth. Our bond reflects our relationship with one another, so both take us on a journey of understanding life. Growing up, I've kept pets of all kinds: dogs, cats, parrots, even some less common ones. This told me what animal welfare really means. Animal welfare, much like human rights, it teaches us how to treat animals, ourselves, and others with humanistic compassion.
它的猫的寄养都是笼子。费列威是什么呢？就是一个猫咪的情绪舒缓剂。这是国际专业的都比较通用的。它是一种信息素，它吹水机力量很大，但是呢，它的问题就在于它的噪音相应就大了，就声音很大。哎，猫比较怕。 所以猫对于这种低吼的声音是相对不太喜欢的。再如果怕呢，就是烘干箱。这是李阿姨，然后她是。
你好。我退休金2000多块钱，2400多。
几乎都用了。
然后哪里够啊？那我是希望嘛。 说句呢，大家呢都能来关爱这些流浪动物。那最希望的是国家能立法。
他应该出不去。
我是实习，然后正好想做这个项目才。守护人的一个机制，我们是类似于一个会员制的状态。 它会像我们的不同档次的卡，它每一个月捐的金额不一样，最高也就1天1块钱，这样子由千万个我们，这样就会聚起这样的一个营地。
Through my research, I found that most stray animals are struggle to meet even their basic needs. They often hide in dark places and scavenge in the garbage cans. When reached the rescue shelters, most of them are injured, sick, or psychologically traumatized from living in fear. While stray animals face a constant fight for survival, they also create challenges for the human society. To raise awareness about the importance of stray animal issues, I researched both domestic and international cases. The United States has established a solid legal framework for animal protection, backed by shelters and volunteer organizations that provide medical care, shelter, and adoption services for stray animals. Meanwhile, Japan has focused on managing stray populations through measures like sterilization and microchipping, effectively controlling their numbers. I turn these examples into posters and give presentations in nearby communities to spread information. But beyond educating for compassion, we also need to adopt legislative and technological solutions to tackle these issues scientifically and systematically. Neuroscientist David Eagleman described death in 3 stages. Physical death, the end of memory when the last person who remembers you is gone. And finally, the disappearance of all records of you, including photos and videos. Even when our pets pass away, we can still hold on to their memories and visuals and interact with them again through our emotional connection. After serving pet owners about their needs, I identified several key features. These include preserving memories through photos and videos, setting reminders for their birthdays and memorial dates. We even included the ability to regenerate virtual pet images, allowing for human-AI interactions to help keep the memory of these pets alive. This project has been a year in the making, moving through various stages, like initiation, the research, the technical development, the testing, feedback, and improvement. It has now been finally launched, and over 400 pet lovers around me have experienced and used it.
宠物和宠物，宠物与社区，宠物与这个宠物主人的这个社团这一类的内容，我们现在还不太能涉及到。宠物之间，如果是能把这些的内容延展开，我猜它的那个层次 和节奏它会更丰富一点。
While AI has made incredible strides in observation, reasoning, and analysis, it can never truly replace our emotions. So this Pastime 3 project is just the beginning of my journey in exploring how AI can benefit humanity. So looking ahead, I see endless possibilities for AI to help create a more harmonious, equitable, and sustainable environment for all lives on Earth.